Okay guys, I'm sick of my hair, so I'm getting ready to balayage my own hair. Look, I took some before and after, or I mean some before pics. I'll have to insert them. But yeah, I'm gonna get started. I don't have enough space to film it, so I won't film it, but I'll show you what it's like when it's done. I miss my blonde, but I'm not going all the way to the roots because that grows out too fast, and I don't have the time or money to keep doing my hair like every 3 weeks. So we're just going to, like, from here down. Yeah, like from here down, blonde, and then just put like some blonde pieces from my roots down. But, yeah. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to finish my hair. I decided I'm gonna go blonde again. Well, actually I wanted to do like shadow root. So I'm gonna just insert some clips. I don't know, this lighting's horrible. It's kind of outside, kind of inside. Anyways, so I wanted to do shadow root because I hate when my roots are all the way blonde because my hair grows so fast. I have to redo it like every 3 weeks. I have to touch it up and I don't have time for that, okay? So I'll insert clips of before and I'll insert clips of what I did. Like I left like 2 inches with nothing, and then I did like an inch or 2 of just like kind of stripes, and then I did solid to try and do like balayage, like shadow root type thing. And it would have been fine, but it took me so long, and I started in the back. It took me so long, so by the time I got to the front and finished the front, the back had been on for like freaking 40 minutes, and I didn't want it to fall out because I used like 40 developers. That's what I always use. And then when I toned it, I put toner on. I wasn't even paying attention because I haven't done it in so long. It's been so long since I've done my hair. I haven't been all the way blonde since before Alex was born. She's 3. Jax is 1.5, and like a week before I had him, I went in and got it done at a salon. So it's been a long time since I've done it. But when I put the toner, I put it all the way on my roots, so it lifted my roots to this orangey color. So now I'm just gonna have to do my whole head blonde. But today I'm gonna start at the front and do like the darker spots that are still kind of orange. You can't even really see it really well in this lighting. But I'm gonna divide it up and you'll be able to see. Like I said, the back is pretty much like white. It's not going to get any lighter than that. So I'm not going to touch that up, but I'm going to re-bleach all of the front and like the top where it's orange, and then I'll have to bleach the roots in the back where I was trying to leave them alone, but then the toner messed them up. And then I have the stuff to do shadow root, but I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. I don't know. I don't want to get it all the way blonde and then mess it up with shadow root, so I don't know. But I keep watching all these videos, and I swear, like every time I think of something, I'm like, oh my gosh, what would Brad Mondo think if I did this? Like he would already freak out if he knew I used like 40 developer because it's like the strongest. But I just did it. Today is Monday. I just did my hair Saturday night, and I haven't had a chance to do it. So it's been a couple of days since I bleached it. So I mean, it doesn't feel dry or brittle or anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it with the 40. I don't have a 30. I have 20, but I feel like 20 would just take forever. So I'm just going to go in with a 40. Yeah. But yeah. You see the clip of before, and then this is like in the process. I'm going to divide it up and I'll let you see how the back really is. Okay, so see the bottoms of the back, they're like white. So I'm not going to bleach any of that because like that's white. So I just need to do all the dark stuff. I wish I would have realized or remembered to not put toner on the freaking roots. Okay, so my hair's sectioned off. I'm just going to start right here with this front section. I'm going to try to work as fast as possible since I'm using 40. I feel like it needs to be a little bit thinner. flow. I'm just stirring it up. Jay's watching the kids. He's actually making dinner for them. I texted him like, I need to finish my hair. I said, but I need you to watch the kids and make them dinner. Okay. All right. No turning back now. No turning back now. If my hair all falls out, I'll buy a wig. But I can't keep it how it is, so I don't have an option of anything else to do. Let me go in over a little bit. Grab your neck section. Oh wait, I need to go down farther than that. What am I doing? I need all this yellowness gone. But I'm not going to put it on that lightest part just yet because I don't want to like really have it fall out. I wish I would have just not used the toner on my roots, and this would be a lot less work to do right now. Because this is a lot. I hate when I have to hurry because then I get messy. My hair's super thin. It's always been super thin. See, I don't mind putting it on that orangey stuff. I just don't want to put it on the real light stuff right now. So Alex has never seen me with super blonde hair, except in pictures and videos, because I haven't been all the way blonde since before she was born. Okay, I'll check back in a little bit. Okay, so my whole head is done. I just started in the front, worked through the back. I tried to not put bleach on any of the really light stuff, just like the stuff that was still kind of yellowy. So here's what we have going on. I'm only going to leave it on for a few minutes because I don't want the front of my hair to fall out. I don't want any of my hair to fall out. I mean, when you bleach, you typically have some fallout. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it on for a few minutes. Oh my god. That's probably the fastest I've ever done my hair. Hopefully I didn't miss any spots. I see like there's some spots that are like a little bit darker in here. But I don't know, maybe I'll just give it some dimension. Oh my god. Brad would be covering his face and dying right now. That's all I keep thinking about. It's like, what would Brad's reaction be? If it's gonna be if I think he's gonna have a bad reaction, then I better stop it. But okay. I'm just gonna give it a couple more minutes because yeah, it's pretty light. Rinse out my bowl. Got my toner. My hair is white. So when your hair is like this white, this is totally a 10, like a level 10. My hair always goes to a 10, like, so I can totally use the T118 that is meant for level 10s, because this is as close to white as it's gonna get. And then there's 1 part toner with 2 parts 20 developer. But I don't know. My head's got like the tingly stuff, so I know it's like time. Okay, I'll check that again in a little bit. Okay, so I bleached it out. I just didn't want to leave it on too long, especially on the parts that were already, look where my hair was laying on my face, the parts that were already bleached. So this is the level of yellowness we have going on, and I'm gonna do the T18. There's like no color left in my hair, so T18, crossing our fingers it'll look like this in the end. But yeah, my eye makeup's all smeared. Okay, we are toning, and I'm about to rinse it off. I'm gonna check a strand. I know it's gonna be lavender in some spots, and that's okay, because I'd rather have it lavender in some spots that will wash out in a few washes than have it yellow in some spots. All right, wish me luck. I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'm gonna put this in, let this sit in it for a few minutes. Fingers crossed it's not yellow anymore. Okay, I just have conditioner in it, this intense conditioner treatment in there. I'm just gonna let it sit in there for a few minutes before I rinse it out. Okay, we are done. There's like some darker spots and some lighter spots, but that's fine because I didn't want it all white like I've done before, and I didn't want it just all one solid color. So I kind of like that it has a variation of tones. It might be a little bit yellow for my taste in some spots, but what can you do? My hair didn't fall out. I had very little fallout, shockingly. But yeah, we are back to blonde. I just put in some Paul Mitchell smoothing serum. Okay, let's see the back. I haven't even looked at the back yet. Probably should look at the back before I hopped on here. Oh, I see a spot that I missed. A couple of spots. Over here. Right in there. Dang it. Right there, right down the middle. Oh well, what can you do? Nothing. We're blonde. This is not what I was going for. This wasn't my plan. I wanted some blonde with shadow root, and now we're just all blonde.